Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Sandra from SandraStitches and we are here for a new vlog. I am struggling with this vlog thing, but I really want to make it, to nail it. So this is an experiment. I have been recording and taking footage throughout the days. So you'll see all kind of things that I've been doing or maybe, thinking about. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I don't have any updates now about the granny square vest. I'm still working on it. I'm still thinking about how to construct it because I want to make something special. I am sure that for our next vlog it will be done. So fingers crossed. I have a new idea and we'll see how it goes because the ideas I had before did not work. So I hope it will work this time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and let's get started. Hello, I'm Sandra from SandraStitches and welcome back to another vlog episode. So if you're new here, hi, say hello, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. And today I am working on organizing my craft room, organizing all my samples and my patterns, and I have a lot to do. So first of all, because I have a membership that it's called the V-Stitch membership, V-Stitch Club, you can find all details in the description below the video. They get to never released new patterns each month. So I design ahead and I have them stored in a special place so I know that these are patterns just for the membership and I don't use them for anything else. So I have here my basket and I am sorting out all my patterns for the membership. This is one of them. Goes inside. I can't tell you much about it, but if you watched other vlogs, so you saw that I was working on it, you can go back and watch them. Maybe I'll put them here somewhere in the video. So this is one of them. I have a hat. I have another hat. Interesting. I have a beautiful wrap scarf. I have a gorgeous bag. I have a very interesting kind of ruana wrap shawl. It's in a very interesting construction, so you'll see when it's out there. If you join the membership, you will get this in one of the next months. And I have another hat, and I have a washcloth. I think I have a washcloth. Let me check my notes. No washcloth. So this is not here. Okay. And this is not here as well. All right, so I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So let me see. I have a scarf for the winter with a special stitch here, a special stitch combination here in a very strange colors. Strange colors. I have another super chunky, super cute, super chunky bag, super chunky yarn bag, and I have a hood, really nice hood with tassels, nice hood, and I have a table runner, and let me see what else. Granny vest. Okay, the granny vest is not done yet. It is here. It's not done. I have to finish it. If you saw my other vlogs, so you saw that I was working on it, and I tried a few unique constructions, but it didn't work out like I wanted, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to work on it maybe today or tomorrow. So this is the last one I have. So I have until December. I need to design 2 more new patterns. I have one, I think I have 2. I have, yes, I think, let me see. I have, no, this one's probably for something else. I have this one. This is going to be a cape, kind of poncho. Of course, it can be also a skirt, but this is done. I have to write the pattern, take pictures, take photos, and finish it. So this is done. Yes, I did not write the pattern yet, so it goes here. And now I have 3 more crochet alongs that I'm working on. One is our From Us to You crochet donation challenge. This is our 2nd year doing it. I'm collaborating with Helen from Sunflower Cottage Crochet, and we have these amazing people, but just love it. Crochet along challenge, whatever you want to call it, that each month we release 2 patterns free on our blogs and free for 3 days PDF to download for a donation cause. Of course, you don't have to work it and donate it, but this is our aim, because we want people to encourage people to give back, to be kind, to do something for charity. And it's very special for us. So we release 2 patterns a month. You can find all details in the description box. I will, if you go to my blog, you will find it. It's in my blog. And the second crochet along I'm working on is a coaster crochet along. I am working on 6 or maybe 7 different coasters designs that I want to release and make this crochet along on my blog. The patterns will be free on my blog. I will notify everybody in my mailing list, so you want to sign up for my mailing list, in my newsletters. I think it's going to be in July. If I'm not mistaken, it's going to be in July. So we're going to have 6 different coasters. I will release 2 each week, so it's going to be a 3-week thing. Nice, cute, small, not very complicated, really cute coasters. I worked on them. I already finished them. I took pictures. I am in the process of writing the patterns. And there is another one that I have to start working on, but this is a surprise. And this is a kind of secret for next year. Helen and I are working on something really special. Um, yeah, but I'm not going to talk about it now. But I have to start working on it because it's going to be a year-long crochet along starting January, and we have a lot of work for it. So I have work to do. Let's see how the day goes. Okay, I have this bag that I crocheted long time ago, but I haven't finished it because I didn't have handles for it. It's a really nice construction. It's very big, very easy to make, but I struggled about the handles, how to handle the handles. So I purchased some handles. I didn't want to make just, you know, a strap, but I wanted something special. So because we have here pinks and browns, and so I wanted something that will complement it. I have a few options. I purchased some made handles. This is one of them. Look at it, how beautiful it is. So I thought I'll just, you know, put it here like this, right? Maybe I should try it, like, I don't know, attach it in some way and try how it looks. So this is the first option, but the problem with this option is that it's not long enough, right? So it will be kind of a very short handle or strap, or however you call it, for the bag. This is the first option, but this one I really like. The second option I bought is, where is it? I bought these kind of wooden handles, but again, they're really small. They have these cute golden kind of things too. I don't really know how you, oh, there is a hole here. There is a hole and you put it in. Let's see how you open this. In some way you have to open it and put it here like this. Two of them. And then use it again, even smaller, because this is a really big bag. So I didn't realize it was too short, so I'm not sure. The third option is, let me show you, is these beads. Look how beautiful this is with tassels. The thing is, it's not the colors, right? It's different colors. I can attach it here like this, but it's different colors. It will be a little bit longer, but it's different colors. So I'm not sure. I think it's going to be too much for this bag. Difficult decision, because this is what I have, and I really, there is something else here. No. And of course I can always crochet a strap, but I think I want to make it more special. I think I will use this one. Maybe I can crochet a strap like this long. How much is it? Like, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches long, and then attach this. But it will have to be in brown, right? Not too much different colors. It will have to be in this brown, or maybe this will be enough. We'll see. If you have any ideas, tell me in the comments. Uh, all right, so there is an update. I finished my third bucket hat that I'm preparing for selling only in Israel. So as I said before, I wanted to finish all my stash in cotton yarn that I had for ages. I think this yarn, I bought it maybe 4 years ago and I never ever used it. So let me just weave in the ends here. It's going to be done. So I decided that I'm going to work 3 hats and see if I can sell them. If they are sold and if people have interest, so I will make some more because these are so much fun to make. First of all, look how beautiful it is. Let me just weave in these ends. Yeah, don't have the scissors here, but yeah. What do we think? How does it look? I have this one, pink and brown. I have this one, which is really nice. It's kind of a turquoise and cream. All 3 are different kind of yarns, so it feels different on the head, but all are cotton or cotton blend. This is 100% cotton. And I have this one that is cotton blend in this kind of baby blue and baby yellow. I like it also. It's kind of cute. They're all the same pattern, all the same style, just in different colors. So I am done with that. I finished it. I have an all right, so this is the end of this vlog. It was a little bit of a mishmash as we say here. A lot of things. I hope that our next vlog I will be more consistent. I will try to do a vlog that follows after one piece or 1 or 2 pieces that I'm working on, so you can see the progress and not just bits and pieces from lots of things. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you next time. Bye.